Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's October 25th, a Monday. We've got quite a bit of rain coming in the next few days, so it's time to get everything watered real good from the rain barrels. Now as you can see, I've got one, honest to God, I bought it rain barrel. Then I have three big brutes, and they are all interconnected. I did this many years ago. And what I did is I bought one rain barrel, and it came with a regular spigot on the bottom. So I bought a second one, ran a hose between the two at the top, and put a spigot at the bottom. And then I did the same thing 2 more times. Trust me, if I had this to do over again, I would not do this at all. Either put a really big valve on the bottom, or just link all 4, because as it is, I have to do them 1 barrel at a time, and very inefficient. Additionally, you'll find that you waste a lot of the barrel. I can't use this much of this barrel because it starts to overflow over to here. Then I can't use that much. Then I overflow to this one, which eliminates, that's a good 5 gallons of water. Then I overflow to the next one, which is another good 5 gallons of water. And so between the 4 of these, I get a lot of water, but there's probably 20 gallons of water wasted in the space at the top. See what I mean? That one's considered full, but look at all the wasted space. Look at all the wasted space. We've got that much. That's a good 5 inches. It's a lot of water. The other problem that you get, I'm only pointing out this tremendous set of failures, so if you're going to get some rain barrels, you don't make these same mistakes, is that these little regular spigot type faucets will release the water so unbelievably slow that you just can't wait for it. It'll never happen. So I end up using a sump pump. So I've got the hose there attached to the little sump pump. Open up the first one. Drop the hose in. Now, even though these are 40-gallon garbage cans, they got 30-35 gallons is all they have. Now we're going to plug it in and wait for it to start pumping. Then we're going to head down. Now, where we're going is way down there. So we got a 100-foot hose, and away we go. This is our little pepper row here. An insane number of peppers. I'm going to get them watered real good and wait a little while. And then we're going to come out and start picking all these peppers. Look at all the peppers. These are a California Belle. These are California Belle. Those are the Nada jalapenos. The jalapenos, they have the flavor, but not the heat. Some more bell peppers. Boy, the bugs are enjoying that one. As you can see, these are all getting tired. They've been here a long time. They're definitely getting tired. But we're going to keep things going as long as we can. Down there at the end is some cauliflower. There's some peppers there. Poblanos. Here's my 2 plum trees, my 2 peach trees, and then here's my late planting regular white potatoes, they're just doing fabulous. So let's see how this water does coming down the hose all the way down here. Put a stopper on it so all the water, see with that sump pump I can get some good flow once we get the air out. We haven't had any rain for 4 or 5 days, so these guys definitely need the water. My hose here is running pretty slow. Looks like I got a kink in it. I'm going to walk up and see what's happening. Oh, I didn't find a kink anywhere. It's coming out pretty slow though. Bottom of the filter on the pump might be dirty. But with my four containers, I can give a good watering to the entire garden. Everything can get a good deep soaking. So the 4 containers work well. I get them all watered out and drained, and then when the rain comes they'll fill up and we'll be back in business again. So I'm going to keep the watering going, and I'll come back along somewhere if there's something interesting to show you.